Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Are you tired of buying sad, wilting cilantro from the grocery store? Do you crave the fresh, vibrant taste in your tacos, salsas and curries? Well, today we're diving into an exciting gardening project, growing fresh, flavorful cilantro in Terra Cotta container. If you love adding a burst of fresh flavor to your dishes, stick around because I'll show you how easy it is to grow your own cilantro at home. Not only is it rewarding, but growing your own cilantro ensures you always have a fresh supply on hand. Let's get started. Terra Cotta containers are a fantastic choice for growing cilantro. They provide excellent drainage, prevent overwatering and keep the soil cool, perfect for a herb that thrives in cooler conditions. For cilantro, a container that's at least 10 to 12 inches deep will accommodate its long taproot. In order to enhance the quality and fertility of our soil, we will require some composted chicken manure, which is often referred to as black gold in horticultural circles. This invaluable organic material is renowned for being rich in essential nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, all of which play a critical role in promoting healthy plant growth. After carefully filling our Terra Cotta container with a high-quality, well-draining potting mix that provides the necessary aeration and nutrients for healthy plant growth, let us proceed to the exciting step of sowing our cilantro seeds. However, are you aware that the seeds commonly known as cilantro seeds are in fact classified as the fruit of the coriander plant? These seeds are scientifically referred to as schizocarps, which is a term that highlights their unique structure. Carefully sprinkle the seeds evenly and uniformly over the surface of the soil, ensuring that they are distributed in a manner that allows each seed adequate space to germinate and grow. It is important to strive for an even coverage to promote healthy growth and prevent overcrowding, which can hinder the development of the plants. Additionally, if the coriander seeds are dry enough, you will find that they can be easily split into two halves, which may help in the process of planting, as this can increase the surface area for germination and improve the chances of successful growth. After you have carefully sown the coriander seeds into the soil, it is advisable to utilize a hand shovel to gently and methodically mix the soil. This will ensure that the seeds are adequately covered and provided with the necessary contact with the soil, allowing for optimal germination and growth. Utilizing your hand and employing a delicate and careful touch, proceed to gently create a smooth and level surface over the surface of the soil. To enhance the quality of the soil and foster a more conducive environment for growth, it is advisable to incorporate some composted chicken manure into the existing soil layer. This organic matter not only serves to enrich the soil but will also supply essential nutrients that are critical for the healthy development of our new plants. Specifically, the incorporation of chicken manure will deliver a significant boost to the cilantro seedlings as they establish themselves in their new surroundings. This nutrient-rich addition will support the robust growth and overall vitality of the seedlings, encouraging them to flourish as they take root. Water the soil gently until it's moist, but not soggy. Next, place your container in a suitable area that receives between 4 and 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight each day, as this amount of light is ideal for the healthy development of the plants. Additionally, when it comes to coriander seeds, it's worth noting that they can sometimes be a little slow to germinate, so it's important to exercise patience during this waiting period. After a period of approximately 2 weeks, we are pleased to observe that our cilantro seedlings have successfully emerged from the soil, signaling a positive step in their growth journey. At this stage, it is imperative that we provide these young seedlings with the appropriate care they require to thrive. This entails establishing a regular watering schedule that ensures the soil remains consistently moist. Once the seedlings develop their first true leaves, it is essential to nourish them with composted chicken manure. This organic fertilizer will provide a necessary nutrient boost that will enhance their overall growth and development. So there you have it. Growing cilantro in Terra Cotta pots is easy, rewarding and a great way to add fresh flavor to your meals. Once the seedlings are about 2 inches tall, thin them out by keeping the healthiest plants spaced about 3 to 4 inches apart. This ensures they have enough room to grow. After about 4 to 6 weeks, your cilantro will be ready to harvest. Snip the outer leaves first and let the inner ones continue growing for multiple harvests. And now you have fresh cilantro grown right at home in a Terra Cotta container, perfect for adding flavor to your favorite dishes. By following these steps you will be able to enjoy the delightful experience of having freshly grown cilantro right at your home. Thanks for watching and happy organic gardening.